Good morning, students. Welcome to accountancy class. We are going to learn first chapter, partnership of fame, fundamentals. In this chapter, we are going to learn about nature of partnership of fame, definition and features of partnership of fame, partnership deed, method of preparing capital account, division of profit and loss appropriation account. First of all, we have to learn what is partnership. Section 4 of Indian Partnership Act 1932 defines partnership is the relation between persons who agreed to share the profit of business carried on by all or any of them acting for all. It means two or more persons joining together and starting a business, that is called partnership affair. According to this definition, what are the features and characteristics of partnership affair? First one, in partnership affair, two or more persons. It means Section 644 of Indian Companies Act 2013 defines that maximum number of partners in a partnership of fame is unlimited, but in Companies Act they are restricted that it is 50, minimum 2 or more. Next features is agreement. It is a mutual agreement between the partners. Next feature is profit motive. Partnership program motive is to earn profit. Next feature is sharing profit. How to share the profit? The partnership will agree their sharing profit ratio, maybe according to their capital invested to the business firm, or according to what are the things are given the partnership deed, according to that one they are agreeing the profit sharing ratios. The next one, it is a no separate assistance. Next feature is no separate assistance. Oh, because here all the partners have wanted the money. They are making hard work for the business. Because of that one, we say that it have no separate assistance. Next we have to learn what is partnership deed. It is like an articles of association. Partnership deed will say as the articles of a partnership profile. In this partnership deed, there are so many clauses are there or contains the following points. First one, in partnership deed, the first point is the name and address of the firm. Second one, it is name and address of the partners. Then next one, it is the type and nature of business. Next one, it is amount of capital contributed by the partners. The next point is interest on capital. Next one, it is drawings. Drawings means it is a personal loan is taken from the business firm for the personal use of partners. Then interest on drawings. Then sharing profit ratio. Partners agreed already, they are agreed the sharing profit ratio. Then it will be decided in partnership deed. It is an agreement between two or more persons or partners. The next, salary of partners or managers or the directors or the managing directors. The next one it is the valuation of goodwill. Then accounting period of the firm when they are going to close the or wind up the partnerships, and how they will admit a partner, a new partner, how they can give a retirement to a partner, then how they will value the goodwill and the profit and the capitals, and how they will distribute the profit or capitals. Next one it is auditing. The next point is given for date of commencement of partnership firm. Next point is duration of partnership. These are the points is given to the partnership deeds. Then some more points are there like a bank account, rules of partners, then rules of retirement of the partners, settlement of dispute of the partnership firm. When the winding up time, they have to partnership remaining partners will be settle the account of the retired partner or death of the death partner. These are the partnership deed contains. In absence of partnership deed, the partners will make some rules. Which are the rules are there? Profit sharing ratio, interest on capital, interest on drawings, salary to the partners, interest on loan, admission of a new partner, retirement of a partner, death of a partner, and winding up of the partnership affair. Next things we are going to learn which are the accounts we are going to prepare. In a partnership firm, they have to prepare many accounts. First account is called the profit and loss appropriation account. It is like a profit and loss account. Similar to the profit and loss account, it is not a profit and, but it is not a profit and loss account. It is a profit and loss appropriation account. This profit and loss appropriation account is prepared after the preparation of the profit and loss account. It is like a T form. Two sides are there, one debit side and one credit side. All the expenses will be debited and all the incomes are to be credited in this account also, like profit and loss account. Then which are the points, which are the items is in the debit side of the profit and loss account we can look. First one it is salary of the partners. It will debited to salary of partners, commission to the partners, interest on partners capital account, to reserve account. Then the credit side, profit and loss account, interest on drawings account. Different partners are there. Interest on drawings account that will be contained partner A, B, C, D, like that, so on. Then what are the entries of the partnership? Then first, already we have prepared the profit and loss account. Then profit and loss account amount should be transferred to the profit and loss appropriation account. Then the transaction will be profit and loss account debited to profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss account debited to profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss account debited to profit and loss appropriation account. Then next entry, the calculation of the interest on capital, that will be interest on capital account debited to partners capital account. Interest on capital will be transferred to their partners capital account. It will be noted like that. Interest on capital account debited to partners capital account. The next journal entry, interest on capital amount should be transferred to the profit and loss account, appropriation account. It will be noted like that. Profit and loss appropriation account debited to interest on capital account. The next entry for the interest on drawings. It will be profit partners capital. Amount will be taken from the partners capital account and shown to the drawings account. Like that. Partners capital account debited to interest on drawings account. Then how we will close the interest on drawings account? It will be the amount will be transferred into the profit and loss appropriation account. The entry will be interest on drawings account debited to profit and loss appropriation account. The next entry for salary and commission to the partners. It will be transferred to the salary and commission will be transferred to the partners capital account first. Then secondly, this amount will be taken from the profit and loss appropriation account. Then how show these two entries? Partners salary or commission account debited to partners capital account. When the salary is debited to the partners account, and the same amount will be shown on the profit and loss appropriation account. That will be profit and loss appropriation account debited to partners salary or commission account. The next entry for the profit or reserve. In all the business firm, there will put some money or keep some money for the future purpose. That amount is called the reserve amount. This reserve amount will be taken or shown on the reserve account. Then entry will be profit and loss appropriation account debited to reserve account. This reserve will be debited to the profit and loss appropriation account. Then next entry will be the profit or loss will be transferred to the partners capital account. The balancing figure of the profit and loss account amount will be transferred to the partners capital account. Then what is the journal entry for that one? Profit and loss appropriation account debited to partners capital account or their current account. In some business firms or partnership firm, they will prepare two accounts, separate capital account or their current account. Then these are the things we have to show on the profit and loss appropriation account. One more time, I will tell you about the profit and loss appropriation account. This is an important account for the partnership firm, like a profit and loss account. It will be two sides are there, one debit side and one credit side. In the debit side, salary will be debited, commission will be debited, and interest on partners capital will be debited, and the reserve amount will be debited, and the profit of the firm or the profit of the partnership profit and loss account amount should be debited in their profit sharing ratio. In credit side, which are the amounts are there? First amount will be or first transaction will be the interest on drawings of the different partners, and profit and loss. If loss is there in the profit and loss appropriation account shows the losses, that amount will be transferred to partners capital account. Then next we have to learn about how to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. One example. Look, you have to already you have the textbook with you. Then with that textbook, first example, you can go through the first example. One trial balance is given. According to the trial balance, how to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. If already in class 11th class you have learned how to prepare the final account like that, here also after getting the trial balance we have to prepare the trading and profit and loss account first, and next we have to prepare the in trading and profit and loss account we will get two profits. One is gross profit after preparation of the trading account, then after preparation of the profit and loss account we are getting profit or a net profit or a net loss. This net profit or net loss will be transferred into the profit and loss appropriation account. Rest of the items like a salary and interest on capital and profit and loss, if the net profit is there, that all items will be taken in the profit and loss account. There also we are getting one profit, that will be the actual profit of the business firm or partnership firm. After preparation of the profit and loss appropriation account, to prepare the balance sheet. In next session we will learn about the how to calculate the interest on capital and calculation of the calculation of goodwill or calculation of the profit sharing ratios. Solve practical question 1 from the page number 1.115. So we will see you next session. Goodbye.